What if you could put United Nations on your CV and you never had to leave your house to do it? No flight, no relocation, no visa stress, just you, your laptop, and the world's most recognized development organizations on your professional profile. This is real. The United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, has just launched a global call for interns in the Digital AI and Innovation Hub. The internship is home based, meaning fully remote. It is open to students and recent graduates from every single country in the world. And yes, there's a monthly stipend. The rolling deadline runs until 1st of October 2026. But here's the thing with rolling deadlines: earlier applicants get reviewed earlier, and positions get filled as they go. So, watching this video today is already an advantage. So, let's break this down completely. So, welcome back to Scholarship, the channel where I find the best funded academic and professional opportunities so you don't have to. Today, we are going to talk about the UN. Let's go. Why I'm going to talk about the UN for you guys is that you guys can basically add on to your CV. Like, for example, if you are applying or tending to apply opportunities like for masters abroad or your PhDs abroad, if you have relevant experiences on global organizations, okay, it adds on because it shows that you have tried to gain experience not only at the national but international level as well. I'm not saying it's necessary, but then this gives you an extra ick. You, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. So first let me tell you why UNDP matters, because I want you to feel the weight of this opportunity before we get into the details. The United Nations Development Programme is the development arm of the United Nations. It operates in 170 countries with over 17,000 people working in the world's most important challenges like extreme poverty, climate change, good governance, renewable energy, crisis prevention, and gender equality. UNDP works across every region, from small island nations in the Pacific to conflict affected zones in Africa to rapidly digitalizing economies in Asia. When a country needs to design a national AI strategy, or build a digital public infrastructure system, or create a data governance framework, UNDP is often in the room. Working at UNDP, even as an intern, means your work has real global impact. The research you draft might inform policy in three countries. The dashboard you build might track the sustainable development goals for an entire region. The product you help design might reach millions of citizens. That is the scale we are talking about. Okay, this specific internship sits with the Digital AI and Innovation Hub, also called as DI Hub, which is UNDP's central platform for leading digital transformation, data policy, AI integration, and innovation across all the development work globally. The DI Hub brings together specialists in digital public infrastructure, data governance, AI ethics and applications, bottom up innovation, capacity building, and digital product design. They support countries and UNDP teams around the world to design digital solutions that are scalable, inclusive, and future ready. As an intern in the DI Hub, you are not making photocopies and booking meeting rooms. You are contributing to strategies, research, products, and programs that shape how governments and institutions in developing countries use technology. That is the environment you are walking into. Now, one of the most exciting things about this internship is the breadth of work areas they're hiring for. There are seven distinct streams, and you choose the one that fits your background. Let me go through each one so you can find where you belong. Work area 1: System Transformation and Innovation. This one is for the big picture thinkers. The people who love asking, why does this system fail and what would look like if we redesigned it from scratch? In this stream, you'll conduct research on systems transformation and emerging policy approaches, contribute to horizon scanning, which means identifying global trends before they become mainstream, and help design, test, and document innovative policy approaches aimed at system level change. This is perfect for students in public policy, international development, political science, social innovation, or anyone who loves strategic thinking. Work area 2, which is program delivery and capacity building. This is one for the doers, the people who want to take ideas and turn them into real programs, real trainings, real outputs. You'll contribute to the delivery of digital data and AI initiatives with the UNDP country offices around the world. You'll develop training materials on digital and AI for governments. You'll organize webinars, write toolkits, and draft guidance notes. If you have ever taught something coordinated in a project or designed training content, then this stream is built for you. Work area 3, which is data policy and governance, one of the most important areas in global tech policy right now. Governments are rushing to create data laws, privacy frameworks, AI governance structures, and most of them don't know how. UNDP helps. In this stream, you will research data governance frameworks, contribute to advisory work on national data strategies, track global processes like the UN's Global Digital Compact, and help UNDP position itself on issues like data sovereignty and digital rights. This one is perfect for law students, policy students, or anyone deeply interested in the intersection of technology and society. Work area 4, data analytics and insights. For the technical minds, if you love working with data, cleaning it, analyzing it, visualizing it, and turning it into decisions, then this is your stream. You'll collect and analyze quantitative and qualitative data sets, build dashboards and trackers, monitor the implementation of UNDP's digital strategy, and translate your findings into actionable insights. Python, R, Power BI, Tableau. If you know any of these, you are already well placed. Even strong Excel skills combined with analytical thinking can get you here. Work area 5, partnership and strategic communication. For the communicators, writers, and relationship builders, in this stream you'll research potential new partners, technology companies, foundations, not-profits, and identify collaboration opportunities. You'll draft concept notes, pitch decks, communication materials, and MOUs. You'll contribute to UNDP's presence at global multilateral events. You'll create content for social media, newsletters, and blogs. So, if you have ever written a compelling proposal, managed social media for an organization, or represented a team at a conference, then this is your home. Work area 6, process efficiency and resource management. For the organizers, the people who love a clean spreadsheet, a well managed project plan, and a tidy process, you'll track project work plans and deliverables, contribute to HR and procurement planning, develop SOPs and internal trackers, and identify operational inefficiencies to improve how the DAI hub runs. If you are in business administration, project management, or operations, and you want that experience at a UN institution, then this is generally a rare entry point. Work area 7, product design, build, and management, including AI tools. And now for my personal favorite on this list. You'll participate in the design of digital products like apps, platforms, web applications, AI tools that UNDP uses in countries. You'll contribute to scoping and proposal writing for new digital products. You'll work alongside software developers and product managers. You'll conduct user testing and you'll support implementation of digital products in real country contexts. If you are computer science students, UX UI designer, product manager, or AI enthusiast, then this is the closest you can get to building things that matter at a global scale as an intern from home. And the eighth stream, research and knowledge management, sits across all of the supporting the curation, documentation, and dissemination of everything the hub produces. So let me tell you who is eligible for this program. To apply for this internship, you must need one of the following. You're currently enrolled in a graduate degree program or a master's degree or higher, or you are in the final year of a graduate degree, your bachelor's, or you have graduated with any university degree and you apply within 1 year of your graduation date. That's it. There's no nationality restriction. The listing explicitly says that this is a global call. All countries are welcome. English fluency is required as the working language. Interest or prior experience in any of the work streams areas is desirable but not strictly required. This is an internship. They're hiring for potential and motivation. Now let's talk about money, because I want to be clear with you. UNDP interns receive a monthly stipend. The amount varies depending on your duty station, and since this internship is home based, the stipend rate will be tied to your location. The exact amount is not specified in the listing because UNDP calculates it based on where you are. For home based internships, stipend rates are generally modest compared to field placements, but you are working from home with no relocation costs in a fully remote setup. So if you are already supported by university or government, UNDP will top up the difference between your external support and the standard UNDP rates. You are also responsible for your own health insurance. UNDP requires proof of enrollment in a health plan. This is an important context because the primary value here is the experience, the network, and the UN on your profile. Not a high salary, but you are compensated and you are not paying to participate. Okay, now the important point. Here is exactly how to apply, and please listen carefully because there is one step that many people miss. You must apply through two portals. Both are required. Missing either one means your application may not be considered. Portal 1 is UNDP careers website. So go to jobs.undp.org, okay, and search for the job ID, which is 33001. Okay, so and then you need to complete the full online application there. Include a CV in English and a cover letter in the English format. Okay. Then comes your portal 2, that is the Airtable form. This is the one which people miss. You must complete the Airtable form at the link I've put in the description below. You can see this link. Complete this form in addition to your submission, your details via the UNDP vacancy link, which is the below apply now button link. Okay, so yeah, so this both are required. This is separate form, not duplicating your UNDP application, so both are required, this form and the main application. I hope you understand. You need to include your cover letter that should be brief but targeted. Tell them which of the 7 work areas you're applying for. Tell them why that area specifically. Tell them what relevant skills or experience that you bring. And even if it's some coursework, personal project, or volunteering, your CV should be in English and up to date and highlight any relevant experience with digital tools, data, research, communication, or project management. Send any questions to talent.dai@undp.org. The internship is 3 months in duration and fully remote. Start dates are flexible. UNDP confirms them with successful candidates individually. Okay. And that's it for today, guys. This is for you. Start preparing now your cover letter, your CV, both application portals, and apply before the position fills up. Like this video if it helped you. Seriously, if it helps more students find this channel, subscribe so you never miss an opportunity like this one, and share it with anyone who will know that it is perfect for them. All the links, including editable form, the UNDP portal, and the contact email, are in the description below. Go for it. I'll see you in the next one.